Hello, today I'm going to show you how to add a Jotform to your Touch Stay Guidebook using custom elements. In this example, I'm going to embed a Jotform to collect questions from my event attendees. I've already set up my guidebook, so I'm going to scroll down to the category I want to drop this into. So I've created a category called Play Games, Win Prizes because I have a Q&A section during my event and I want people to ask their questions. So to incentivize them to ask questions through the Jotform, I'm offering them a prize. So I'm going to click on the down arrow here in the How to Win subcategory, and this will take me to the Submit Your Questions topic that I've already created. I'm going to click Edit here to open this up. So this is simply called Submit Your Questions. I'm going to drop in a bit of text here so the event attendees know what I want them to do, which is to drop in their questions. And now I'm going to add the custom element. And I simply click here on Custom Element. This opens up the Insert Custom Element view. I now click Add New Element. Lovely. This takes me to the place where I can create a new custom element. So the first thing I need to do is choose the third-party service I wish to embed. As I've already mentioned, this is going to be a Jotform. So I select Jotform. A name has already automatically been created for this custom element. It's called Jotform1. I'm going to change this to Q&A. So when I come back in the future to look at the different custom elements I've created, I know which one this is referring to. Lovely. So now I need to go over to Jotform to get the link to embed to create the custom element. So I'm popping over into my Jotform account. Lovely. And this is showing me my event Q&A form. I click on the Publish tab here. I go over to Quick Share and I click Copy Link. It's copied to my clipboard. Now I drop myself back into Touch Stay and I simply paste that link in here. And that's it. Lovely. The final thing is to choose the height for my custom element. So the standard element height is already automatically populated for you for any type of custom element you want to use. I can come back here anytime and adjust this so that my Jotform in this instance will be taller or shorter as it's viewed in the guidebook. But for now, I'm just going to leave it as the standard. And then I click Save. Wonderful. My custom element has been successfully created and I just click Insert. Great. You can see now that the custom element has been created in here and it looks just like a regular field code. Super. So now I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. I've already applied a tag to this one, which is for my event guide, and then I'm going to click Save. Super. And that's it created. So let's see what this looks like on the attendee view in my event guidebook. I'm going to click to open that now, and this is going to show me the desktop view of the guidebook. This obviously will look different on mobile when your guests or attendees or whoever is looking at it on their phone, but this is what we see on the bigger desktop view. So I click Get Started, and I want to scroll down to that category I mentioned, the Play Games, Win Prizes. And here we are, lovely, the Submit Your Questions topic. So I'm going to click here on Start. It opens up in a nice big window for me. So my name is Emma. Type my questions. How are you? Lovely. And then I submit. It's been submitted. And then I can see back in my guidebook, I didn't even leave. It just opened up a bit larger for the Jotform view, that now I've been able to submit that question without having to leave the guidebook. Nice and easy. So it's a super easy way of gathering information from guests, upselling. There's so many ways you can use Jotforms. This is just one way to show you how it's done.